Hello. How are you?
Pardon?
I said, how are you?
I'm not too bad, how are you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thanks. Yeah, I'm good. So your name is?
Jamie.
Jamie?
Pew.
Jamie Pooh. And what do you do for a living?
I drive a van by day and deliver pizza by night.
Okay, and why are you here, Jamie?
To see if I can sing in front of this lovely audience.
And, okay, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to sing Bring Him Home from Les Miserables.
Are you?
Well, I'm going to try.
Out of interest, have you ever done anything like this where you've sung in an audience like this, or?
No.
No. You're terrified, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, listen, Jamie, best of luck.
Thank you.
Come on. Here we go.
Don't hide, hear my prayer in my need. You have always been there. He is young, he's afraid. Let him rest, heaven live. And if I die